Hey friends, it's Barefoot Ken here again, and I just wanted to show you a fun and exhausting exercise that I like to do a lot with two different ropes. First, I have my weighted rope. This is a Muay Thai weighted rope, very thick. This particular one is the Elite SRS Muay Thai rope. It's weighted. Really works the shoulders and the arms really good. But a lot of people don't know what to do with weighted ropes. They just use them and then they wear out their shoulders, that means, and then they gotta take a break. Well, while you're waiting for your shoulders to come back, work your cardio. You can work your legs and your cardio, give your arms a break with a lighter weight rope. This is a 5mm PVC, and then work it out that way. So I'll demonstrate. I'll work this for a while to demonstrate that, then work what I would do with this. I'm not going to do it all the way to failure because that would take a little while, not to pat myself on the back or anything like that. I will wind out eventually and then go to that, but I'll just demonstrate here real quick for you. So first, starting with the weighted rope. I like to use the boxer skip. I'm going to keep the arms close. Still feels good. But once your upper arms and your lower arms start to burn and you can't do it anymore, work the cardio. Throttle those lungs. Work the legs. Go as fast as you can until you wear out. Then, when you're breathing hard and your legs hurt, go back to the arms. Go back. And just keep doing that until your mom calls you in for dinner. This is Barefoot Ken. Peace.